Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites. Be on the right Killstreak server and in the matching game mode. Once done, gather currency, aim for at least 1,000 coins or tokens, and confirm you meet level and kill thresholds so you're eligible for Azure Sword acquisition. Next, open the server shop or vendor interface and locate the Azure Sword entry. Make sure you have inventory space. If a toggle or quest is required, accept it now. Doing these steps avoids backtracking later. You proceed by interacting with the vendor, event NPC, or UI that lists the Azure Sword. Select the item and review its requirements. Then complete any mid-process objectives, typically 3 tasks or a timed combat challenge, and track progress closely. Make sure to finish the tasks in order, because some servers reset progress if you die or switch maps. Once the objectives are complete, spend your coins or sacrifice trade items to claim the sword. Equip it immediately, so you can test its abilities in the next step. You finish by equipping the Azure Sword and verifying its stats and special abilities in the loadout screen. Make sure auto-swap or binding settings won't prevent activation. Then test it in a safe duel or practice zone to confirm hit registration and animations. This reveals any desync issues. If the sword does not appear or abilities are disabled, relog and rejoin the server. Check inventory commands, and if needed, contact admins with your transaction ID so they can reclaim the item for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.